अमेरिका के सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने एक बार फिर कहा कि हिंदुस्तान के साथ हुए तिजारती माहदे में कोई तब्दीली नहीं होगी। अमेरिकी सदर ने यह भी वाज़ेह किया कि अमेरिका टैक्स के महासिल अदा नहीं कर रहा है, बल्कि हिंदुस्तान हमें महासिल अदा कर रहा है। अमेरिकी सदर ने एक बार फिर हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान के दरमियान जंग रुकवाने का सेहरा अपने सर बांधा है।
On the trade deal, which is the framework which is to be signed with India sometime soon, will that stand now?
Yeah,
and on the
nothing
decision,
changes.
Nothing changes.
No, nothing changes. They'll be paying tariffs, and we will not be paying tariffs. Our deal with India is they pay tariffs. This is a reversal from what it used to be, as you know. India, and I think Prime Minister Modi is a great gentleman, a great man, actually, but he was much smarter than the people that he was against in terms of the United States. He was ripping us off in India. So we made a deal with India, and it's a fair deal now, and we are not paying tariffs to them, and they are paying tariffs. We did a little flip.